ọmọ yín fún mi àràgbà ló ń sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ máa wo Bisi ológe show correct ètò ni ó ládùn ó dẹ̀ lóyin tẹ́ bá ti ń wò ó Olúwa máa bùkún yín. Mo ní àyè báwa táyé wá ṣe o bàbá àyè báwa táyé wá ṣe o ìwọ̀n lọ́lọ́run lókè lẹ́dùnmáre ọlọ́run ayé òjòwò tètè bá wa ṣe o ní Nàìjíríà àyè báwa táyé wá ṣe o. Ẹ máa wo Bisi ológe show correct ni ẹ má gbé kúrò ńbẹ̀.
Thank you so much for joining us. My name is Adebimpe Olajiga, reporting for Punch newspaper. We are presently live here in Ikeja, where flights are suspended, travelers are stranded as aviation workers shut Lagos airport. I'm sure you've been hearing news, and now presently what is happening that we have a lot of people here is that some touts were caught with all these they had plans to come and disrupt the protest here in Lagos, Ikeja, and this was found with them as evidence. So here we have security personnel, we have the police, we have the soldiers who are here to protect. So sir, what really happened? Was okay.
Maybe it's Babalaki that hired them to come and disrupt the people that are doing their peaceful demonstration because they are fighting for their right. Because how can they sack? How can they be sacked for just doing this?
Okay, sir.
Now, in the course of that, that is how we collected this bottle from them because they are coming with it to come and harm our people here.
Okay, sir. Do we have any of them? Like, did you catch any of them, or it's just this material? They dropped it and ran away. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. So thank you so much.
Babalaki must go. Babalaki must go. Babalaki must go. Babalaki must go. Babalaki must go.
So thank you so much, sir. I would like to confirm who exactly is Babanaki and who is it?
The owner of by company Air Services. He said the owner is the useless owner. He's the useless owner of my company. He is the one, the owner, who does not care. That was how he was facing problem in Unilag. Useless man. Doing anyhow he likes. But today, he will crawl. He will make sure he crawls. He will make sure he calls the union to table, and we must agree before anything is done. That is what we stand.
All right. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for joining us. This is still Punch newspaper, and we're live here at the MM2, that's the Muritala Mohammed Airport 2, which is known for the local flights. And as you can see right in front of me, we have bottles, we have whips. So today, 1st of November 2022, the staff of the Muritala Mohammed Airport 2 have decided to start with a protest, and flights have been suspended. We have travelers stranded as well as aviation workers shut Lagos airport down. And as you can see, this is the situation of things here. We have people just around trying to fight for their rights. Aviation workers, they are under the aegis of Air Transport Service Senior Staff Association of Nigeria. And it was gathered that travelers who turned out to travel out are stranded as flights in and out of the airports are suspended. The aviation workers said they shut the airports over the sack of some of their members by company aviation executives. And also the union described the sack as witch hunting and willful intimidation. They also allege that rather than implanting the conditions of service as agreed with them in 2021, the Basel management has resorted to sacking some of its members. So while they have been here since, they've been here as early as 8 a.m. As you can see, there's a lot of them out here. Fortunately for them, they caught this with some thugs who planned to come here to disrupt the protest. Security personnel are here at the moment, and we'll try to see if we can speak with the national president of Air Service Senior Staff Association of Nigeria, in person of Comrade Ilitus Mma2. So while we search, we'll just give you a full glimpse of what is happening here today.
We are ready for them. Let's go. They are mad. Now we want slaughter. They move feet. When they see something that passes them. Kaiser has gone now. He has gone now. You want to interview somebody? You want to interview this man. He's a strong man. For what, man? What man they talk to me about? Okay. Now they can see. My name is Comrade Mma2.
All right, thank you so much for joining us. Now we are still here trying to speak with the brand secretary as we are yet to see the president of the association. So now, sir, please can you introduce yourself properly?
My name is Comrade Mma2, brand secretary of NCO.
Okay, what's happening here today?
Yeah, you can see this terminal by 40 minutes closed and the traffic because of the sacking of 35 staff of by 40. We have been on this a very long time. There have been negotiations here and there. Even, up to last Friday when the national president and the emperor had meeting with the national police about it. And they were asked to...
That's my secretary! That's my secretary!
And they were asked how the parties to pay to maintain service. So that before the end of that meeting on Friday, what our members are doing is started receiving email from the various email address that the services are no longer needed. And as a union, we felt that this is there was no need for this. We had an agreement that including the police officers, the commissioner of police, all parties to the service. So that is why we are because of that.
All right, thank you, sir. In the mail that was sent to some of the staff, what was the reason for asking them to leave their job? Was there any reason stated?
We know that the services are no longer needed.
Okay.
But this is because we have almost about 5 of them that are executive of after the faculty. So the reason given is that the services are not needed. Because these are the people that work hard to get the new condition of service or improve condition of service for faculty workers. So and after that, I don't think the management was not comfortable. The management were not comfortable with what happened. The where they get the position of service. So instead of trying to encourage them, what the management of my community was
Okay, thank you so much, sir. What do you people really want for this protest to stop? What do you want exactly?
Just like my president said, if those people are recalled, the issue will be resolved.
Okay.
So there are other things we're looking at. So if they are recalling, they have to recall all the people that are involved.
Okay.
So anybody that is interested in still working there,
Okay.
but if they are not interested, they can pay them off, then people will go their way.
Okay.
So we are not backing down until this issue is resolved.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir. All right, thank you so much for joining us. Like I said earlier, we are live here in Ikeja. That's the Murtala Mohammed Airport 2, as travelers are being delayed and flights are on hold, as their staff have decided to come to the streets to protest against illegal laying off of their staff. And while we were here, I showed you pictures of some alleged touts who had plans to come and disrupt this protest. So we are live here, and this is the situation of things as I speak. It is peaceful, and we have security personnel also who are present here at the moment. We just finished speaking with the secretary, and we hope to speak with more people for them to shed more light on what is happening here today. Thank you for joining us. So we'll be going off now and come back when there's any development as to what is happening here today. Thank you so much for joining us. This is the Punch newspaper, where we bring you the latest update across the country. Don't forget to turn on your post notification for by the second news update. My name is Adebimpe Olajiga, reporting live at the Murtala Mohammed Airport 2. Thank you so much for joining us. Do enjoy the rest of your day.
Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to click on subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. We drop new videos daily. Thank you. God bless you.